He's the muscle.
Perfect.
Where is Kevin at, man?
Sleeping in the truck.
I mean, you can't. I mean, this would kill you out here. You're filming yourself, Gunner.
Oh.
Up and away. Daggone, show him out. You gonna just have to learn how to make it pop. Alright, we're heading over into Canton here. We're gonna do another tree job. Today we're gonna have some removals and some trimming. Gonna be a really good amount of climbing to do today, so y'all stay tuned for all the action.
The Mega Rams are heavy.
Oh dude, I know. When they're down on the actual trailer,
Yeah.
they're horrible. I'm gonna uplift this oak, and that oak, and clean them all the way up. So we can either lay mats right here or lay mats over here, and we can drag this stuff over here. Or you can lay mats, do this one, and then we'll move the mats over here.
Okay.
This hickory's coming down completely.
All right.
Uplift this oak tree right here. And then this one small oak behind it is coming out.
Okay. What about this little stub right
We'll
here?
get that out too.
Okay.
I'm gonna uplift this guy a little bit. I'm gonna take this one out. We got this one cherry right here and this little cluster of stuff right here that it's coming out. Okay. And then I'm gonna uplift this. And then this little birch right here, it comes out. And then I'm gonna run up this bigger tree and get some branches that are coming out over the Bradford pear right there. Kind of clean up some sucker growth and stuff on that side. So, well, pretty straightforward. I think I want to start on this side and work our way coming around this way. That will give it a little bit more time to kind of dry out over here. We'll do like more of like cut this down, kind of drag it to the driveway. Yeah, I mean, I can stop with the hickory and do all that from the front, and then I can go this way. But you know, wherever the Bobcat goes.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, as long as they stay, if they go that way and stay close to the wood line, that's fine. I just don't want them going.
Yeah, I mean,
I only
you're gonna have Bobcat marks, you know, coming in and out of
You
here.
have
I mean, that-
wheels or you treaded? Or
no, that's track.
Track.
Yeah. I mean, that's just comes with tree work. Well, we'll get started. We're probably gonna start right here
Okay.
and work our way around.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. So you brought your big help with you, huh?
Oh yeah. He's the muscle. Take the tarp off, back up, drop this box on this side of the driveway. We're gonna start over there. Bring that climbing saw, gas, oil, military box, big saw, all that shit. Come on, Gunner. You got all your cards or anything out that if you need to get out for the day or anything?
I think we're good. I put my
Okay.
truck up there. I got the bird feeder and all the stuff out of those trees back there.
All right,
Yeah, I think we're all set.
all right. Put that thing out in the road. Bucket. Crazy how that tree grew right there. See that limb right there next to his foot?
Oh.
See how the limb came over to the other tree right there?
Yeah, it looks like an
Connected.
H.
Yeah.
Looks, yeah.
That's crazy. You don't see that a whole lot.
Yeah. That's the first time I've ever seen one
Yeah.
like that. Perfect.
Bobcat, or are you dragging it?
Bobcat.
I'm trying to get him piles going, and
I can just come in one or two times.
Just don't tear nothing up.
Okay, I'll just go straight in, straight out.
They're observing you. They're watching you.
That's right.
that's just in case you have any questions.
Yeah. See, I put so much on the ground for them, they can't even keep up. Where is Kevin at, man?
He's sleeping in the truck.
He's just a driver, so.
He probably is sleeping in the truck.
Bless his heart, he does get out here and he will put the blower on. He'll try, but I mean, he's 63-ish. I mean, he's been in the military and all this, and now he's like, man, all I really want to do is drive, you know?
Yep.
He likes shining on that truck though. He keeps my roll off pretty shiny. So
That dish.
we'll get you, huh? We do YouTube. So
The video.
Keep your camera shy.
Oh yeah.
you want to climb a tree?
Yeah.
You want me to let you put these spikes on and climb?
Yeah.
You ready? You sure? You gonna get up there and do what Daddy's doing?
I climb trees with nothing.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
Every time I get done with one, I just want y'all to confirm, so I ain't gotta climb back up.
Yeah. Thank you.
You don't know how many people, if we don't do that, you'll get all the way down to the ground. Oh, can you get that one more? You ain't coming in and out of here on that side and not gonna do no damage. Yeah, no, I mean, I don't expect you to pull branches, but you know, if like getting waters or like gas or something like that.
Y'all holler at me?
I mean, they're toting branches, you know. Yeah. I don't expect you to, but.
No, I'll hey, whenever you need, I'll get it.
I go
Well,
potty.
I mean, you can't. I mean, this will kill you out here.
I'm just.
Once I get this tree down right here and we get it out that side, then I mean, you could start doing like some blowing and stuff coming around this side. You're filming yourself, Gunner.
Oh.
Up and away!
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
Gotta give Gunner 5-10 minute break.
I know.
We'll put him right back on it. You don't want the big stuff run over. Come behind right there. We'll push that right there.
We should just go straight back with it, all right?
You need Daddy to do it? Set it down on that stump. Daddy gonna show him how to do it.
If you want, I can take that big one off so it don't, because he's got like a little flower bed area right there. Okay.
No.
I don't know if that's possible. It's really tight in there.
I'm gonna do this with spikes on, boys. Take it all the way to the road. Cut it up in the road. Till I show you more. Don't doubt me.
I didn't know if you wanted to drag the whole thing.
If I tell you it's possible, boy, it's possible. I just tell you right now. Okay? You're gonna just have to learn how to make it possible. Water boy. You good, Kevin? Look at that. Morphle is finally getting it. Bear with me, everybody. I have to carry all this gear, trying to get everything. Yep. I gotta drop that little hickory. And then I gotta drop that little hickory right there. Here. And then I'll start to climb these 3 right here.
Okay.
Hold your horse. Hold. Let me help you out.
Candy to a baby.
Woo, boy.
Thought he said he could run a root grapple.
Looks like crawling, hey?
I know.
Now you can't say nothing about that tree job the other day where I messed the grass up.
I mean, that was gonna happen a little bit.
Reaping? Yep.
Huh?
I was about to say, are you putting that back on?
Yeah, I gotta go to work.
Huh? Thank you. I'm so glad we didn't take it down. Oh, look at that. You're gonna give you some Scooby snacks.
I had those before. I'll hold you over lunchtime.
Here, give the camera to Ross for a minute. You can eat your Scooby snack.
You might want to take him over there to the where that gas can stuff at, buddy. That way these limbs don't fall on you trying to eat your snack.
He'll be alright for a minute. I'm taking a second.
Okay. You want water?
Sure. Are you done with them Scooby snacks? Alright, grab it. Let's go. You work on getting all this saws and shit up. I'll hop on that skid.
Trying to pack it.
Daddy! Let's come here. Daddy, look. Look in here. There's little baby birds.
Huh?
There's little baby birds.
I can try and pop it off with the skid here in a second.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go eat lunch.
Daddy! Can I have some Skittles? Yeah! Kevin does. What?
Gotta eat lunch first.
You got a fucking foot long?
Circle K or All American Sub.
I like Subway.
It's not Subway pie. How many times have you fucking unclogged your fucking chipper?
Too many.
How many times has the chipper broke down? Too
Every
many.
other week.
Exactly. That 21-inch chipper that I have, man.
Oh, I bet.
Shoo-wee. It eat that fuel all day. This right here, it saves money and I'm so much more universal. I can go do this tree job and we can go rip out that damn driveway over there all in the same damn day. The roll-off is just such a universal thing that's just why I chose to go with it over the grapple truck or the chipper or anything. I had it all, and this is what I like the best. Gunner, grab these sticks. Anything in the yard.
Working hard at hardly working. As y'all can see right here, we got everything trimmed up. Got the beech tree out of here. Got this tree uplifted over here. Got these trees cut out the island. They're done and gone. Got the oak tree out back here. Done and gone. Other oak tree back here. Done and gone. Both these uplifted right here. Very, very minimal damage done to the grass. We got the hickory out. And we got these 3 oaks right here uplifted. Looks a whole lot better in here now. Well guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all are liking the content, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all have a good one.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body.
All good?
All good in the hood?
Right.
Ready to rock out?
Rock out with your...
Yeah, go ahead.
No, there's still